Vader, and I know that you, society, has been wondering the age-old question, how do you solve? A Rubik's Cube. Now, the first step to solving any great Rubik's Cube is the inevitable mix of there! Now I shall solve the dark side of the cube. You will not realize your full potential until you have mastered the art of solving a Rubik's Cube. Now let's see. Where to start? I got it! I actually got it! So anyway, that's the first step. The next step, solving the cube. I've done it. Until you have solved the entire Rubik's Cube, your journey towards the dark side will not be complete. And that is why I am... What the heck? Oh, this is so stupid! If you find your abilities lacking in the field of solving the Rubik's Cube, harness your hatred, use your aggressive feelings, and strike down that is the Rubik's Cube. And then we will have peace. Or something like that, I don't know. Darth Vader said something like that, so I just thought it'd be cool if I copied him. You know. Did I ever say Luke Skywalker is my father? My son or something? I told him I was his father.